Hey folks, a little bit of sunshine, another day with southeast winds and temperatures go up. 83 right now in Rio Grande City, 79 McAllen and Edinburg. A little cooler as you get closer to the coast. Port Isabel 68, just checked on the island, 64 there. So pretty good contrast from one end of the valley to the other. Look at tonight's lows. Been 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s. Tonight, upper 60s. Some places might not get below 70. Still maybe a sprinkle or two. And then tomorrow, look at this, 80s valley-wide. The exception being South Padre, about 76 there. Southeast winds a little gusty tomorrow, 15 to 30 miles per hour. Skies are mainly cloudy. It's a windy day, but during the afternoon we should see a little bit of sunshine once again. The normal high now for this time of year is up to 79, and tomorrow we're going to be above that at 85. Saturday, 93 still, and if we get there again, that's breaking the record of 91. And then Sunday, we kind of come back down a little bit, but still well above average with a high Sunday of 87 degrees. Now, Future Track does keep the clouds around and shows maybe a spotty sprinkle overnight and in the morning, probably some fog near the coast. As the day goes on, we'll see some breaks in those clouds, a little bit of afternoon sunshine. You still have to deal with fog on and off at the coast. May not go away. If it does, it'll break for a while and come back. Saturday starts like that. A little more sunshine on Saturday. And with that, temperatures off to the races, likely climbing up into the 90s across the area. And then Sunday, the clouds move back in. Probably a mainly cloudy day on Sunday and not quite as warm with about a 10% chance of a shower. Same thing goes for early tomorrow. Saturday just looks like a hot and dry day across the region. Rest of South Texas, 67 in San Antonio, 67 also in Houston. Corpus Christi at 75 tonight. Look at the rest of the state. Even Dallas is up to 72. Lubbock at 74. So the big swing in temperatures continues from the really cold just a few days ago to mild today and unseasonably hot across the area tomorrow. The satellite shows an awful lot of clouds moving across the state. Fronts all over the map, but none of them anywhere near here. So our southeasterly wind is in control, and it'll be there tomorrow. I think on Saturday, the wind comes more out of the south, and that is a hot wind, and we end up climbing into the 90s. By late Saturday into Sunday, that wind kind of lets up a little. A few more clouds come in. This front's in the neighborhood, so Sunday a little cooler, but still above average. Front still doesn't quite go through on Monday. It's right there, knocking at the door, but doesn't go through. So Monday we stay relatively warm as well. In fact, the models keep most of the fronts just a little bit away from us all the way through at least the middle part of next week. So we stay warm through at least Wednesday or Thursday. Here's a look at the rest of Texas. In the morning, San Antonio, 64 degrees. Dallas at 59 with clouds. A shower, maybe a thunderstorm in Houston, 68 to start the day, and by afternoon, when we're climbing into the 80s, the rest of the state climbs into the 70s. Houston at 77, Dallas at 76 tomorrow afternoon. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy skies and a little drizzle, not much. Southeast winds 5 to 15. Then tomorrow, back to 85 degrees. Some clouds in the morning, some afternoon sunshine. It'll be a breezy day. Southeast winds 15 to 30. Saturday up to 93. Sunday, still a spotty shower, some clouds, but not quite as hot. And then look at next week. We stay in the 80s all the way through the week. We kind of toy with 90 again by the middle part of next week. Nighttime lows around 70. That's a sign there's no front going through. Yes, it is 2 a.m. Sunday. When you spin your clock forward, you still spin the clock 1 hour. That's your updated First 1-5 forecast.